Every time you call a function, your program makes a promise to come back to the exact right place. Break that promise and program crashed or hacked. Welcome back to Tech is Strong with Shobhit. I hope you are doing great in tech and fitness. Today, we are opening the stack and answering a question every programmer should know: what really happens when a function is called? Functions does not just run, they reshape memory. And if you do not understand that reshaping, debugging and security will always feel like guesswork. When a program starts, the CPU executes instructions one by one, line after line. This is simple, linear execution, no surprises yet. Function call breaks this linear flow. The CPU must jump somewhere else, execute code there, and then return exactly to the correct instruction. To manage this jump and return safely, the CPU uses the structure called the call stack. This follows one rule: last function in, first function out. Every function call creates a stack frame. A stack frame is a block of memory that belongs to one function call. It stores everything that function needs to run and return safely. Let's make this concrete with a simple example. Main call foo, no trick, just a normal function call. When a program starts, main already has its own stack frame. This frame holds main's local variable and return information. The stack is not empty, it already has structure. Now main calls foo. At this moment, the CPU pushes a new stack frame on top of the stack. Foo now own this memory. Inside foo's stack frame, several things are stored: local variable like X, saved registers, and most importantly, the return address. The return address tells the CPU when this function finishes. Continue execution from here. Without this address, the CPU would have no idea where to go next. If the return address is corrupted, the CPU jumps to the wrong place. That means crashes or worse, exploits. This is why stack safety is critical in low-level system. If one function call another, frame stack on top of each other. Main call foo, foo call bar, the last function always the first one to return. Understanding stack frames helps you to debug crashes, understand stack overflow, read assembly code, and reason about security vulnerabilities. This is foundation knowledge for systems engineering. If this helped you to understand function call better, hit like, comment, and subscribe. It really motivates me to keep sharing more content. Stay strong, stay fit. See you in next one. Thank you so much for watching.